Once upon a time in the lively town of Brightville, there was a super smart scientist named Dr. Diego Ponce de Leon. But everyone in town called him Dr. Power because he was always talking about saving energy. Dr. Power had a big dream. He wanted to make sure no electricity was wasted. He noticed that people used a lot of energy during the hot afternoons because everyone turned on their air conditioners at the same time. This made the power grid tired, like a runner who had run too many races in one day. One day, Dr. Power came up with a brilliant idea. What if we connect all refrigerators and air conditioners to a smart thermostat? He thought. This thermostat could talk to the appliances and tell them when to cool down and when to take a little break. This way, we won't waste energy, he exclaimed. He quickly got to work, programming tiny sensors to check how much energy each fridge and air conditioner was using. The sensors sent messages to a small but powerful computer called a Raspberry Pi 2B. It was like a mini brain that helped manage energy smartly. Meanwhile, in another part of the world, Egypt was also using smart technology, but not for electricity. They used it to make sure their farmlands got just the right amount of water. Engineers used data and sensors to check how much water was needed so that no drop was wasted. Just like Dr. Power saves electricity, we are saving water, the engineer said proudly. Back in Brightville, Dr. Power's plan was a huge success. People's electricity bills went down, the power grid was happy, and the town became famous for being super energy smart. And from that day on, Dr. Power was not just a scientist, was a hero who taught everyone that small changes could save the world.